How to use fire equipment, Schools Edition. Most school fires start in kitchen areas. In fact, cooking is the #1 cause of non-residential fires. This is why fire blankets and extinguishers are commonly found in school kitchen areas. With just a little familiarity, staff can feel confident to step in and use this equipment to extinguish a small fire before it escalates. So, let's start with a common stove-top fire. In this circumstance, a fire blanket is the fastest and safest choice. It cuts off oxygen and smothers the flames without spreading hot oil. 4 steps for using a fire blanket. Step 1. Release the blanket by pulling down on the underside tabs and shake it out to its full size. Step 2. Hold the top edge outward so the blanket shields your hands and face. Step 3. Approach the fire and gently lay the blanket away from your body over the burning pan. Never throw it on or flap it about. Step 4. Turn off the heat source. Step back and leave the blanket in place for at least 30 minutes to allow it to cool fully. Important: never use water on an oil fire. Pouring water onto burning oil causes it to instantly vaporize and explode, spreading flames. Additionally, fire extinguishers are not ideal as they release a high-pressure spray that can blow burning oil out of the pan. Fire extinguishers are used for all other types of fires, such as those involving ovens, electrical equipment, plastics, or general waste. For these types of fires, a dry chemical option is ideal. Most schools use dry powder ABE extinguishers. They have a white stripe. These are effective on wood, paper, petrol, gases, and electrical equipment. CO2 extinguishers, marked with a black stripe, are effective on electrical fires and are commonly found in areas like server rooms. Extinguisher technique. 1. Pull the pin, stand with your back to the door, around 2 meters from the fire. 2. Aim low, at the base of the fire. 3. Squeeze the handle. 4. Sweep slowly side to side until the flames go out. Watch for reignition. Safety message: use an extinguisher only on a small, contained fire, about the size of a waste paper basket, when smoke is light and you have a clear exit. If the fire spreads, produces thick smoke, reduces visibility or makes breathing uncomfortable, evacuate immediately. Using the right fire equipment in the first moments of a fire can prevent long-term damage or injury. If you have any doubts, evacuate and call 000. Thank you for watching.